everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add location on Snapchat story. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to add location on Snapchat story, first tap open your Snapchat app and make sure that you're logged in. Go ahead and take a picture or a video for your Snapchat story. For example, let me select an existing picture from my camera library. This one's the picture I'm gonna use. Once you find the picture, from the picture preview page, tap on the pencil icon located at the bottom left-hand corner. And now, tap on the sticker image at the right-hand side of the screen. Right after you open it up, you should see an option that says location. Tap it on. Now, once you do that, you can now find the location recommended to you right under places. To select a location, simply give it a tap and you'll be able to add a location on your Snapchat story, whether you're trying to add a picture or a video. That is how it can be done. You can now place the locator right where you find it to be suitable, and that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.